Peace be upon you, everyone. I am Abdul Qadir. In this episode, we will discuss two subsystems of the GSM system, the MS and the BSS. As mentioned previously, the GSM architecture has many components grouped in four main subsystems. The MS represents all mobile stations that have the features to access GSM network through the radio interface and the SIM card provided by the operator to reach the other end and establish a code. The BSS represents all BTSs that transmit the required carrier, a paired channel, to the mobile stations through the air interface to enable access the GSM network by using access technology TDMA and duplex technology FDD. The other main entity in the BSS subsystem is the BSC, base station controller, which controls the base stations of the GSM system and enable traffic transferring between the radio access network and the core network. So the GSM can be divided into two main parts. The radio access network, or RAN, includes the mobile station and the BSS. The other part is the core network, or CN, includes NSS and OSS. Now we will browse some features of the mobile station. The mobile station is a device used for network access, designed and manufactured to be used on GSM network, consists mainly of two parts, mobile equipment, ME, and subscriber identity module, SIM card. The ME is identified by a unique number provided by the manufacturer of the device, called ME, International Identifier for the Mobile Equipment. Can be checked on any device when dial *#06#. Stored in the EIR register of the OSS subsystem, which is used to reject or allow devices on the network. The other main part of the mobile station is the SIM card, or subscriber identity module, which has equipment independent identifier called MZ, International Mobile Subscriber Identity. This identifier is stored in HLR and VLR register of the NSS. The SIM has one or more mobile subscriber ISDN number used to establish a call, also has shared secret for network authentication with the authentication center of the OSS. The base transceiver station, also radio base station, is the access point for subscriber to network services, has many components and requirements to operate properly. We have constructions, towers and masts, outdoor units like antennas and radio units installed on the constructions and connected through coaxial or fiber cables to convey the radio signal to the RBS cabinets. The RBS also has indoor units assembled and housed inside a cabinet or shelter. These units process the traffic to be sent through the transmission network to the core network. The RBS is connected to the mobile stations through the radio interface and connected to BSC through ABIS interface. The RBS typically has 3 sectors for each one or more antenna with a different set of carriers, usually 1 to 4 frequencies, called ARFCN, Absolute Radio Frequency Channel Number. For example, in GSM we have 125 number. Each number represents a duplex channel of 200 kHz, one for uplink and the other for downlink. The BSC base station controller controls multiple BTSs, typically between 10 to 100 BTS, transfer traffic to and from the core network by using adaptation units called TRAU, used to adapt the signal between the radio network and core network, also process packet data through the Packet Control Unit PCU in the packet domain, connected with the switching center through A interface, also with SGSN through GB interface. Now we are going to mention some functionalities of the BSS subsystem and which entity is responsible for. The uplink signal measurement is the responsibility of the PTS. Frequency hopping moving between frequencies in the same cell to improve quality, the paging process to locate a mobile station before call establishment, cryptography to provide secure communication, channel codec and rate adaptation to transfer traffic between different network entities are the responsibility of both BTS and BSC. Radio channel management, traffic measurement, authentication, location registry and update, packet data processing, and handover management are the responsibility of the BSC. That is for this episode. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.